So, if you're an employee and you have applied to the UIF and you were told your employer is not compliant, this video is for you. And if you're an employer and you only think UIF is just an admin that you will sort out later, sit tight because this one is not comfortable. CNB community, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Let's dive in. People don't apply to the UIF for fun. They apply because they have lost an income. A breadwinner has passed on and a decent meal is needed. Transport costs money and the rent is due. Then UIF says, we can't process your application because your employer did not terminate you or they did not submit your declarations. Now suddenly the unemployed person must fix a problem they did not create. Stick with me. Now, the South African law is very clear. Listen to this. The Unemployment Insurance Act 63 of 2001 and the UIF Contribution Act 4 of 2002 requires employers by law to register their employees as soon as they become operational, submit their monthly declarations and pay the UIF contributions to the UIF so that when you as an employee experience rainy days, you can have access to these funds. But wait, when this does not happen, the UIF system don't magically guess. They don't process your applications. And guess what? The delays happens. Now, honeys, this leads to delayed payments, rejected applications, incorrect benefit calculations, and endless verification process. And to be honest, applicants sometimes they don't even know where to begin to start fixing these non-compliance by employers. And to be honest, it's not always the system that fails the applicants. Sometimes it's these employers. Now listen to this. Here's what does not get said out loud. Employers who do not comply, they don't just inconvenience employees, they expose themselves to penalties. Late payments attract interest and non-submission attracts administrative penalties. And persistent non-compliance triggers enforcement. And this is not unique to South Africa because wait, Canada, Germany, France, and the US, same principle. Employers default, employers pays. Injalo ayijiki futhi. And this is where CNB Community steps in. We have assisted a number of employers and employees navigate this monster known as the UIF. We have turned confusion into clarity, doubt into direction, and silence into hope. We assist UIF applicants whose applications are delayed due to employers' issues. We help reconstruct employment records. We guide employers back into compliance legally and correctly, not to protect negligence, but to stop unnecessary suffering and financial damage. So, honeys, let's be honest. Sometimes the delays are not because of the UIF system error. It is often the compliance failure. And until your employers take UIF seriously, guess what? You, the employees, are going to be the one paying the price. So this is one conversation that is not comfortable, and if it has helped you understand the UIF better, please do share it. Somebody out there is still blaming themselves for the mistakes that were caused by the employer. Honeys, we will continue to give you accurate, up-to-date information about the UIF. We will continue to answer your hard questions, clear misconception, and educate. We will continue to restore the hope because at CNB Community, we don't just talk UIF, honeys, we are bringing it to life. So please do continue to subscribe to our YouTube channel, do join our Facebook page as well as our TikTok.